everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this hand blender that I received in the mail. It is by a seller from Amazon, and it retails for $49.99, and it's a 5-in-1 blender. So this is what it looks like. It's really heavy duty. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and just show you guys how it works. So the person that actually sells this on Amazon, it is by the brand MegaWise is what it's called, and it retails for $49.99. Like I said, I will put that in everything in the description box down below, and if I can find a coupon code or something, I will also place that. I can't always find a coupon code, but sometimes I can reach out to the seller and they'll actually send me a coupon code. So if I can, I will be putting that down there as well. But this is what it looks like. I plugged it in. I really wanted this for this attachment alone, just because I like making soups and stuff, and this is awesome. So you do that, and it comes with 12 different speed levels, and then it has a turbo and just on and off. So this is what it looks like, and then that's turbo, a lot faster, and then you can put up the speed. So you can see, you can hear the speed going up. Okay, so I'm going to put it on level 1. And then to pop it off, you just go like this. So it comes with like a blender that you could puree stuff with. It comes with this right here, which is good for like frosting your coffee and stuff. That one's a little loud, a little wobbly. But I use these for my coffees. I actually have one that I use beside the sink, but this is just for mixing stuff up. And then I have a whisk. It comes with a whisk as well. Let's just put it on. And it works just fine. Pop this off. It comes with a measuring cup, and you can put like fruits and stuff in there, and then just like use this to mix it up. Or you can put fruits and just blend it with this, is what I meant. Not mix it up with this, because that's for like, that's just for mixing. So you could put fruit in here, and then you could puree it with this and make like a smoothie. And then it also comes with a chopper, and you can, it says up to 16 fluid ounces to that line, but you just place this on top like so and turn it on. And these are great like for making salsa or like chopping up onions or anything really fast, really easy. But I love how it does all this, and you don't have to buy everything separately. It's like a 5-in-1, and $49.99 is not a bad price for everything it comes with. I think these are like $20 alone. And then if you need to mix up cake mixes and stuff like that, or like whip up eggs to make meringue, and then these are always good to have, especially if you're a coffee drinker and you just want to make it frothy. And of course that. But yes, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But that being said, that completes this video. Bye, God bless.